Okay, quick video today on how to create headings on your wiki page without having them go into the table of contents. So if you look at this page here, a selectives class wiki page, you'll notice that the only things in the table of contents are the class description and then all of the dates. Those are designated as headings, and so they will automatically appear in the table of contents. But if you have some other text that you want to be a heading, like homework, what to bring to class, preparing for a great year, even these 4th, 5th, and 6th grade headings, those were turned into headings using a different method so that they don't show up in the table of contents. So let's go ahead and go into edit mode. And if I put my cursor inside of this word class description, you'll see up here in the heading area that that's a heading. Scroll down, if I do the same thing with this first date, it says it's a heading. But if I put my cursor in this heading, what to bring to class, you can see it says normal here. So that has been turned into a heading simply by using the bold. And you could also use the font changes if you want a larger font. So if I click on, let's see, first let's do this. Let's say that I wanted this what to bring to class to be a larger font. Highlight it and then click on this text styles button, and then in here where the size is, don't use the plus or minus signs. Actually place your cursor inside the field, delete the percentage, and then type a number. So I can do 12 point, which is what you're familiar with if you use Microsoft Word a lot. So the wiki recognizes points, PT, and then I just click Apply Styles. And then that enlarges the font, and then I can go ahead and put the bold back into place if I want. You can also use, here, let's go ahead and highlight that again. You can also use PX, which stands for pixels. So 13 pixels is what the default setting is for the regular text in our wikis. It defaults to 13px. So if you wanted to use pixels, I would do something like 16px. And notice you do get a sample here. So let's say that I did this 36. Your sample shows you a preview what that's going to look like. Okay, let's go back to 16 pixels and then apply styles. And then again, I could add my bold back in place. And what you'll see is if I save that, even though it's a nice large font equivalent to the font of this class description heading, the what to bring to class does not show up in the table of contents. So sometimes you'll accidentally designate something as a heading and you'll see a big section of text in the table of contents that doesn't belong there. The way to fix that is to remove the heading designation. So hopefully this will help you with your headings and your table of contents.